Hello and welcome to MBTV. I'm your host Reena Gaurav. Today we are focusing on Greater Noida West, a locality that has emerged as a hub for affordable housing. According to data from Magic Bricks Prop Index report, this area has seen a significant demand for larger homes. Notably, the prices for these bigger apartments have increased by 60%, indicating a clear preference among buyers for more spacious living options. To delve deeper into this trend, we have with us promoters of SAM India, Mr. Sachin Garg and Mr. Vipul Garg. A very warm welcome to MBTV.
Thank you.
When we used to talk about Greater Noida West, the idea was always affordable housing. That's how the market or the people relate to it, the buyers relate to it. But suddenly we are seeing that the trend is changing. And how are you seeing the trend in the market?
So you're correct in saying that Greater Noida West 15 years back began as a destination for affordable housing. But over last 2-3 years, especially given the government's push on the infrastructure, Greater Noida West has been a very large beneficiary of this trend. I would say that it is no longer a market for affordable housing. Yes, the prices still remain in the affordable segment as compared to other localities, if you compare it with Central Noida. But over this last period of 2-3 years, the housing and the demand for housing is concentrated for the premium segment of the market.
अब ये भी देखने को मिल रहा है कि suddenly the 2 BHKs are vanishing. People are looking or the demand that the reports are saying कि demand जो है वो 3 BHK plus की है. So what is the reason behind it? What are the reasons that you can think of?
नोएडा एक्सटेंशन अब अफोर्डेबल नहीं रहा, अब ये प्रीमियम हो गया है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाइज काफी वेल कनेक्टेड है, चाहे वो NH9 हो, चाहे हमारा ये रैपिड मेट्रो आ रहा है यहाँ पे, या जो प्रपोज मेट्रो स्टेशन है वो है. हर तरीके से ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट नोएडा से कम नहीं है. जो सेंट्रल नोएडा है या एक्सप्रेसवे और नोएडा एक्सटेंशन सब ये एक ही उसमें आ रहा है. दैट इज द रीजन लोग प्रीमियम अपार्टमेंट्स विश कर रहे हैं.
सो इज दैट द रीजन कि पाम ओलंपिया की अगर हम बात करते हैं और सैम इंडिया ने जब ये प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया था तो वो अफोर्डेबल सेगमेंट में था और अब जब फेज 2 आता है तो वो प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में आता है.
I would absolutely agree with that. The phase 1 of the Palm Olympia project was essentially an affordable segment, but that was launched 10 years, 12 years back. Now Palm Olympia phase 2 if we talk about, and the future development, which is almost 2,000 flats, almost only 20% of the flats cater to the 2 bedroom category, and the rest 80% are actually 3 bedroom and higher spaces. Also, we've given a very meticulous planning to the whole project. The specifications are very high end now. It is almost a fully furnished flat that we are offering. So the demand for premium housing is robust, but I would say it is in a nascent state. It is only growing. As a company, we believe that this trend is here to stay, and that is why most of our apartments are 3 bedroom and higher configuration.
Yeah, so as rightly you have mentioned that most of the apartments are 3 bedroom and above, but if we talk about premium housing in Greater Noida West, then what are those sectors? Which are those sectors where one can find premium housing?
See, on a generalized basis, there are only 2 locations which come to my mind. One is where Palm Olympia is located, which is just on the Taj Highway, and some land parcels, some developments are coming up in Sector 12 of Greater Noida West. Otherwise, Greater Noida West does not have too many land parcels where housing can come up. So essentially, we are almost landlocked. Not many options are going to come up in future in Greater Noida West specifically.
So Sachin, I would like to understand from you, as rightly mentioned by Vipul, कि यहाँ पर अब डिमांड भी बढ़ रही है, लोग आ रहे हैं. एसेंशियली अगर हम प्रीमियम हाउसिंग की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर सिर्फ अपार्टमेंट्स नहीं, द एमिनिटीज दैट दे आर गेटिंग इज ऑल्सो the main criteria, or we can say the main focus of the people who are investing. So यहाँ का अगर हम मार्केट की बात करते हैं तो जब लोग आते हैं तो वो क्या डिमांड्स लेकर आ रहे हैं? What kind of demands or what are they looking for in Greater Noida West when they talk about premium housing?
So when a customer comes, he has a lot of expectations. Obviously, he is ready to pay extra amount, but he wants good specifications, good amenities, and a lot of focus is on the clubs and other amenities of the project. That is the reason in our project we have hired Bobby Mukherjee as an interior designer for our club. And when you say other than that, I would say the name of the developer also plays a vital role.
Launched our lifestyle residences, which are flagship product within Palm Olympia. It's called Gold Spire. Now that's a 3 BHK plus study apartment. It has super high-end features which are comparable to any top development across NCR. Plus, also we've added a special feature like we are giving a very private clubhouse to the residents of Goldspire, which so the resident of Goldspire not only gets the features and amenities of the whole project, but he has a separate club to himself. So this is what buyer of tomorrow is asking for us.
ओके सो यहाँ पर एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ आपसे समझना चाहेंगे कि अगर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज की बात करें या किस तरीके से इस प्रोजेक्ट को सेल करना है और स्पेशली अगर हम एक अफोर्डेबल लोकेलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं विच इज़ ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट और वहाँ पर ऐसे कस्टमर के साथ डील करने के लिए या ऐसे कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए व्हाट आर दोज स्ट्रैटेजीज?
See, our strategies, I'll only talk about us here. Our strategy, we've kind of taken a 360-degree approach to this. We've tried to educate our customers about the product, which is Palm Olympia, how Palm Olympia is different in terms of specifications, or exactly what does the product entail, specifications, amenities, and also educating the customer about SAM India as a developer, as a company, that how we've been focused on delivery in the past, how we've executed our other projects, and how ethical and transparent as an organization we are. So we've used to spread this message across, we've used digital platforms like Magic Bricks, we've used social media platforms, and to a limited extent, print and outdoor. But we believe that the buyer of today is really on the net. So digital platforms have been a big part of our strategy.
ओके सो सचिन, आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि अगर बायर्स की बात करें तो वो कौन सी जनरेशन है जो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रीमियम हाउसिंग के लिए ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रही है?
मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे जो सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट में ही काफ़ी लोग अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर रहे हैं. काफ़ी सारे लोग जो 10 साल पहले जिन्होंने पोजीशन लिया था 2 BHK में या 3 BHK में, वही लोग अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर रहे हैं. 2 BHK वाले 3 BHK पे आ रहे हैं और 3 BHK वाले 4 BHK पे आ रहे हैं. वो जिन भी सोसाइटीज़ में यहाँ पे रहते हैं वहाँ पर उस हाई एंड एमिनिटीज़ वहाँ पे नहीं है जो नोएडा की कुछ सोसाइटीज़ में वो देखते हैं. वही चीज़ उनको अट्रैक्ट करती है कि वो अपने यूनिट्स कहीं और लें, बड़े साइज लें, जहाँ पर वो एमिनिटीज़ और फैसिलिटीज़ उनको ज़्यादा मिल सके.
ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट में जिसका भी घर था, इट हैज़ अप्रिशिएटेड 60-70% इन लास्ट 1 year or so. So they are very comfortable making another purchase. And I would also add here that this, one must not perceive housing as just an investment. Housing is also a lifestyle. It matters where you live and how you live.
Like you said, where you're living, and that also matters. So the locality, when we talk about Greater Noida West, it's affordable. So how is the premium housing going to break this image?
Premium housing is also defined by where you're located within the whole area. Greater Noida West is a large area.
Yeah.
So of that, if I talk specifically where we are located 1 kilometer from the NH9. We are located on a beautiful stretch of road called the Taj Highway. You are located very close to all the amenities, commercials, hospitals, schools. The best locations of Noida are very approachable. So all this matters. So this is what defines a premium housing also. SAM India delivered the phase 1 at a time when no other developer in almost Delhi NCR delivered. So people also appreciate that and take cognizance of that. So we are getting a very good response from customers who appreciate this. And that mindset, I would say, that whole community that we are trying to build is what will define this as a premium housing.
What is the quality of construction? So people are happily paying extra amount if they are getting a good quality of construction from a renowned developer.
ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो कई नेम डेवलपर्स हैं जो यहाँ पर काफ़ी जाने जाते हैं, जिनको लोग बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. खासकर अगर हम सैम इंडिया की बात करें तो हाउ कैन पीपल रिलेट टू इट एंड हाउ कैन पीपल ट्रस्ट दिस ब्रांड, इसके बारे में बताइए.
See, the core of SAM India's business profile has been infrastructure development. We've been engaged at SAM India in developing and executing projects largely for the government sector, whether it comes to Metro Rail Corporation, Public Works Department, Central Public Works Department, and we've delivered a lot of housing projects, complicated projects in the past history of 30 years. If I look at our managing director's experience, he was taking care of the project which is the Greater Noida Metro line called the Aqua line. So SAM India has a long history of developing infrastructure projects timely and in a quality-based manner.
So what is the roadmap ahead, Sachin?
So as a SIAM India, we are constructing one project in Connaught Place. We are building houses for Member of Parliament. In Gurgaon, we are constructing data center for Punjab National Bank. For the in real estate, we are, as the real estate market is going high, so we are seeking other avenues. We are seeking land parcels in Gurgaon, Yamuna Expressway, Noida, and many other locations. So hopefully soon we will be able to launch new project in other states as well.
So Sachin, अगर यहाँ पर प्रीमियम हाउसिंग की अगर हम जैसे बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर डिमांड और सप्लाई के अगर रेशियो की बात करें तो उसमें कितना वेरिएशन है?
अभी आज के टाइम पे प्रीमियम डेवलपमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड में है. सप्लाई ग्रेटर नोएडा वेस्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा अभी नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा न्यू अलॉटमेंट्स भी अथॉरिटी के नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो इस वजह से अभी काफ़ी अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड है. अभी आई वुड से जो हमने गोल्ड स्पायर लॉन्च करा है उसका काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स हमें अभी बायर से मिला है. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड ट्रेंड एंड वी आर होपफुल दैट इट विल ओनली stay forever for a few more years at least, I would say.
What is your take on this?
If I put it in a number, there are almost 3 buyers for every 2 apartments.
What kind of advice would you like to give to the investors or the end users who are willing to invest in this market?
Investors who are willing to invest in, who are thinking to invest in Greater Noida West, I would recommend them to take this decision as soon as possible. Prices are increasing day by day, and people are finding it difficult to get their preferred unit in the desired project. So people should not waste time in that. Some people are thinking that prices might slow down or something like that, but this is not going to happen anytime soon. So I will recommend them to book their units as soon as possible.
So Vipul, what's your take on it? Last piece of advice to the buyers who
I'll fully agree with what Sachin has said, that the increase of prices, what we are seeing, is in an early trend. It's a nascent trend. It is here to stay. I would only advise buyers to do their homework and purchase wherever they like. To, select their location, select a project, but take this plunge and book an apartment of their choice.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sachin and Mr. Vipul, for the detailed information. And we hope the market, if we talk about Greater Noida West, then it caters to the need of the people, what they're looking for and what they want. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Reena.